The best gear for YouTube, 2024. When it comes down to it, there's no one-size-fits-all setup for YouTube. Everyone has their preferences and budgets. For instance, Marques Brownlee sometimes uses top-of-the-line Red Cinema cameras to record, while many others just use their smartphones. You don't need the most expensive gear to find success on YouTube. However, having quality gear can help you deliver quality YouTube videos and help you stand out. So, we've compiled a list of our top gear picks for YouTube currently on the market. This buyer's guide will cover the must-have gear to start a successful YouTube channel without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Dedicated cameras. Best budget camera for YouTube. Canon EOS R50. Strengths: compact and lightweight. Features Canon's latest imaging technology. User-friendly, suitable for beginners. Weaknesses: limited battery life compared to higher-end models. Can't record 60 frames per second in 4K. Lacks in some advanced features and customization options. The Canon EOS R50 is a great pick for new YouTubers. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that shoots clear 4K videos. Its fast autofocus system helps you quickly focus on different scenes, which is perfect for capturing action or moving subjects. Plus, the camera is small and light, so you can easily carry it around and film wherever you go. Additionally, the Canon EOS R50 is loaded with features that help with making videos, like a vari-angle touchscreen which makes it easy to shoot from tricky angles. Its user interface is simple enough for beginners, but can be customized for those with more experience. The camera's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities also make it a breeze to share videos and keep in touch with viewers. Plus, being compatible with a wide array of Canon lenses and gear means you can upgrade your setup as your YouTube channel gets bigger. Best camera for YouTubers. Sony a7 IV. Strengths: professional-grade image quality. Advanced autofocus tracking. Good for handheld use with its in-body image stabilization. Decent amount of customization features. Weaknesses: high price point. Steep learning curve for beginners. If you've been at YouTube a while and want to upgrade your setup or want a high-quality camera right out of the gate, the Sony a7 IV is your go-to camera. It has a 33 megapixel sensor that captures sharp photos and 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Additionally, its 759-point phase detection system means that the autofocus is quick and accurate. Another standout feature of the Sony a7 IV is its in-body image stabilization, meaning you can capture steady footage without needing a gimbal. Plus, its fully articulating LCD screen makes it a great choice for self-shooting. The Sony a7 IV also boasts dual card slots, offering plenty of space for storing and backing up long videos or high-res images. Plus, its clean HDMI output means you can hook it up to a computer or a streaming device, making live streaming a breeze with some extra software or hardware. As a final selling point, the a7 IV can record up to 2 hours continuously in 4K, a big step up from previous models. Webcams. Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro. Courtesy, Logitech. Strengths: great mic and image quality with frame rates up to 90 frames per second. Adjustable field of view. Built-in HDR and autofocus. Weaknesses: pricey compared to other webcams. High bandwidth requirements for 4K streaming. No optical zoom. The Logitech Brio Ultra HD Pro webcam delivers up to 4K Ultra HD resolution and offers a wide view of up to 90 degrees, letting you adjust the camera angle to suit your space perfectly. And thanks to Rightlight 3 technology, it works well in low light conditions. A few other noteworthy features include its tripod mounting capabilities, as well as its privacy shutter to cover the lens when you're not filming. Microphones. Beast streaming microphone for YouTube. Shure MV7. Strengths. Dual USB/XLR output. Built-in voice isolation and headphone monitoring. App control. Weaknesses. Price. Heavy in weight. XLR cable not included. The Shure MV7 microphone, a dynamic USB/XLR hybrid mic, is known for delivering professional audio. Mimicking the sound quality of the famous Shure SM7B, it's a great choice for podcasting, voiceovers, and more. Plus, you can listen to your audio in real time through the headphone jack. Its user-friendly panel lets you simply change the gain, mute, and headphone volume. Using the Shure Plus Motive app, you can set your own presets tailored to your specific voice. Before recording, you can also enable compression, limiting, and EQ levels to get the perfect sound. On-camera shotgun microphone for YouTube. RDE Video Mic NTG. Strengths. Suitable for both on-camera and boom operation. Good quality audio with a natural sound profile. Integrated rechargeable battery for USB-C charging. Works with a wide array of devices. Weaknesses. Pricey compared to entry-level shotgun mics. Can be complex to navigate the advanced features and settings. RDE's Video Mic NTG is a shotgun mic perfect for those needing directional sound for video, and its aluminum body keeps it light and easy to attach to cameras or boom poles. What makes the NTG special is its variable gain control. This lets you adjust sound levels to match your environment. Along with the 3.5mm connection, it also has a USB-C port that allows you to plug it straight into a computer for live streams. Also, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack for listening to the audio live as you record. The NTG uses a lithium-ion battery that charges fully in just 2 hours and lasts for up to 30 hours of recording. Like Shure's software, the mic comes with RDE Connect, which includes tools like a noise gate, compressor, and professional audio processor. Lighting. Best streaming/vlog light for YouTube. Fotodio X Selfie Starlight Sticks. Strengths. Provides a key and fill light in one package. Portable and user-friendly. Multiple brightness levels and color temperatures. Weaknesses. Batteries not included. Limited battery life. Not good for lighting larger environments. Fotodio X's Selfie Starlight Sticks is a 2-in-1 solution for self-shooters. It's both a key and a fill light in a single product. With a range of 3000K to 5600K, the lights that can be adjusted for both color temperature and brightness. The Selfie Starlight Sticks' battery power and mounting ability makes this light versatile for many situations. It comes with a built-in rechargeable battery and features a January 4th, 20 thread at the bottom. This means creators can use the Selfie Starlight on their choice of light stand and in locations lacking power. Best lighting kit for YouTube. GVM 800D RGB LED light panel. Strengths. Offers a wide range of colors and effects with RGB capabilities. Good value for the price. Mobile app control. Weaknesses. Included light stands are very basic. Limited adjustment capabilities for HSI and CCT at certain ranges. Requires 2 batteries when not plugged in. If you are looking to step your lighting game up, consider these GVM 800D RGB LED light panels. Each panel features RGB LEDs that allow users to select from a wide range of colors, or a color temperature from 3200K to 5600K. And through the GVM Easily mobile app, you can remotely control the color, brightness, and other settings of each light panel. Creators often use this functionality to make adjustments while also managing the camera and other aspects of their setup. The GVM 800D RGB kit comes with barn doors and diffusers for better control over the light direction and quality. The kit also includes light stands. For the price, this GVM kit is a fantastic choice for any YouTube setup. Computers for YouTubers. Best budget desktop for content creation. HP Z2G9 Small Form Factor Workstation. Strengths: compact in size, powerful performance. Options to upgrade with higher-end processors and graphics cards. Weaknesses: limited internal expansion compared to larger builds. Can get noisy under heavy loads. This PC, though small, still packs a punch in terms of power. The HP Z2G9 Small Form Factor Workstation features a cutting-edge phase change CPU cooling system, making it great for demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Its system cools by turning a liquid into a gas as it draws heat from the CPU, then converting it back to a liquid to release the heat. This cooling method tends to be more efficient than standard air or liquid cooling systems. The Z2G9 offers various processor options and can support up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM. It can be upgraded with up to 3 internal storage drives, including both HDD and SSD types. This adaptability lets users tailor the workstation to their needs, but it's a beast out the box, too. Plus, it comes with HP's Sure Start technology, which helps the system recover from attacks and protect against malware by automatically fixing itself. Best budget laptop for content creation. Asus 16-inch VivoBook 16X laptop. Strengths: large display with great color reproduction. Fair price for the specs. Advanced cooling technology. Weaknesses: average build quality. Will need the higher spec version for intensive editing. If you're consistently on the go, the Asus 16-inch VivoBook 16X is a great option for mobile content creation. Its 16-inch OLED screen brings out bright colors and sharp images, perfect for video editing and graphic design. You can choose from different processors, with up to 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SSD storage available. Plus, the VivoBook 16X stays cool under pressure thanks to its iCool Plus technology with dual fans and a heat pipe to prevent overheating. The Asus 16-inch VivoBook 16X laptop offers Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. This is great for content creators who need to upload big files or stream videos, as it offers higher speeds and less waiting time. Wi-Fi 6 also handles crowded networks better, so it stays fast even when many devices are connected. With its bright screen and powerful hardware, the VivoBook 16X is a solid choice for creators on the move. Making your mark on YouTube with the right gear. While there's no perfect gear setup for YouTube, the options listed above are popular choices. If you have the means to try them out for yourself, feel free to see if they fit within your setup. If they don't, there are plenty of other options out there that can meet your needs. Remember, the best gear is the gear that lets you do what you're looking to do while also staying within your budget.